मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है। आई डोंट ट्रस्ट यू। आई डोंट ट्रस्ट यू। अपना फ़ोन चालू रखो। कीप योर फ़ोन ऑन। कीप योर फ़ोन ऑन। मैं आपसे बाद में निपटूंगा। आई विल डील विद यू लेटर। आई विल डील विद यू लेटर। मुझे अकेला रहना पसंद है। I like to be alone. I like to be alone. मैं जल्दी में हूँ। I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. हे भगवान मुझे बचाओ। Oh God save me. Oh God save me. मैं अकेला जाऊंगा। I will go alone. I will go alone. क्या तुम हैरान हो? Are you surprised? Are you surprised? मैं समझ सकती हूँ। I can understand. I can understand. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है। Sometimes this happens. Sometimes this happens. बस चुपचाप बैठो। Just sit quietly. Just sit quietly. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता। I don't lie. I don't lie. इसे जोर से कहें। Say it out loud. Say it out loud. अपनी आंखें खुली रखें। Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. अपनी माँ को मत बताओ। Don't tell your mother. Don't tell your mother. खाना अभी बहुत गर्म है। The food is still very hot. The food is still very hot. महंगाई बढ़ चुकी है। Inflation has increased. Inflation has increased. उसके बारे में सोचो भी मत। Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. वो मेरी है। She is mine. She is mine. मैं अभी वापस आऊंगा। I will be right back. I will be right back. सब कुछ बहुत महंगा है। Everything is very expensive. Everything is very expensive. मैं भगवान की कसम खाता हूँ। I swear to God. I swear to God. माफ़ी चाहता हूँ कि मैंने तुम्हें चोट पहुँचाई। I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm sorry I hurt you. मैंने नहीं सोचा था। I didn't think so. I didn't think so. क्या मैं तुम्हें एक बार गले लगा सकता हूँ? Can I hug you one more time? Can I hug you one more time? ज़रूर कोई ना कोई रास्ता होगा। There must be a some way. There must be a some way. उसे अंदर भेजो। Send him inside. Send him inside. ये नियमों के खिलाफ है। This is against the rules. This is against the rules. मैं इसे अकेला नहीं कर सकता। I can't do it alone. I can't do it alone. मुझे माफ कर दो। Forgive me. Forgive me. ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना। Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मुझे माफ कर दो। Forgive me. Forgive me. मुझसे गलती हो गई। I made a mistake. I made a mistake. पिछली बार की तरह, like last time. Like last time. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. तुम बहुत बदल गए हो. You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. मैंने तुम पर शक किया. I doubted you. I doubted you. सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण कुछ नहीं है. Nothing is most important. Nothing is most important. मैं इन दिनों बहुत व्यस्त हूं. I am very busy these days. I am very busy these days. मेरा बेडरूम बहुत गंदा है. My bedroom is untidy. My bedroom is untidy. मुझे कल जल्दी उठना है. I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to get up early tomorrow. इतना आसान नहीं है. It is not easy. It is not easy. मुझसे बेहतर कोई नहीं जानता. No one knows better than me. No one knows better than me. आपके पास 1 मिनट का समय है. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute. आपने फिर से गलत लिखा. You wrote wrong again. You wrote wrong again. ये कैसे संभव है? How is this possible? How is this possible? मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारे हाथ में है. My life in your hands. My life in your hands. तुमने वो सब किया जो तुम कर सकते थे. You did everything you could. You did everything you could. नजर रखो. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? क्या तुम्हें एक बार में समझ नहीं आता? Don't you understand at once? Don't you understand at once? मैं अभी गया हूं. I have just gone. I have just gone. चलो कुछ करते हैं. Let's do something. Let's do something. अपनी भावनाओं को मत छुपाओ. Don't hide your feelings. Don't hide your feelings. तुम्हें इसके बारे में क्यों नहीं पता था? Why don't you know about this? Why don't you know about this? कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. तुम जल्द ही इंग्लिश सीख जाओगी. You will learn English soon. You will learn English soon. अब क्या? Now what? Now what? मिलते रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. वह नंगा है. He is naked. He is naked. यह सच नहीं है. This is not true. This is not true. तुम्हें गलतफहमी हो गई है. You have misunderstood. You have misunderstood. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. क्या आप नहीं चाहते? Don't you want to? Don't you want to? मैं खुश हूं. I am happy. I am happy. तुम मुझ पर बहुत गुस्सा हो. You are very angry at me. You are very angry at me. मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप चिंता करें. I don't want you to worry. I don't want you to worry. सो मत. Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. आपके पास केवल 1 मिनट बचा है. You only have 1 minute left. You only have 1 minute left. मैं जानता हूं कि तुम्हें पता है. I know you know. I know you know. मैंने तुम्हें इंतज़ार करने के लिए कहा था. I told you to wait. I told you to wait. बिल्कुल पहले की तरह. Exactly like before. Exactly like before. आपने इसे गलत लिखा है. You have written it wrong. You have written it wrong. मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are very innocent. You are very innocent. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. क्या आपको कोई एतराज़ है? Do you have any objections? Do you have any objections? मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है. I have no objection. I have no objection. मुझे सब कुछ याद है. I remember everything. I remember everything. मैं आपसे दोबारा नहीं पूछूंगा. I won't ask you again. I won't ask you again. मुझे लगता है उसे मेरी ज़रूरत है. I think he needs me. I think he needs me. तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए. You shouldn't be here. You shouldn't be here. यह आपका आखिरी मौका हो सकता है. This could be your last chance. This could be your last chance. क्या तुम रोना बंद करोगे? Will you stop crying? Will you stop crying? मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? What happened after that? What happened after that? क्या तुमने उससे कुछ कहा? Did you say anything to him? Did you say anything to him? अपनों से बड़ों की इज्जत करो. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. तुम बहुत तेज गाड़ी चला रही हो. You are driving very fast. You are driving very fast. यहाँ से कहीं मत जाना. Don't go anywhere from here. Don't go anywhere from here. मैं तुम्हारे लिए चॉकलेट लेकर आता हूँ. I will bring chocolate for you. I will bring chocolate for you. तुम बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही हो. You are doing too much. You are doing too much. माँ की कसम खाओ. Swear to your mother. Swear to your mother. तुम्हें थोड़ा आराम करने की ज़रूरत है. You need to get some rest. You need to get some rest. आपको थोड़ी नींद लेने की ज़रूरत है. You need to get some sleep. You need to get some sleep. मुझे अपना जीवन जीने का अधिकार है. I have the right to live my life. I have the right to live my life. मेरे निजी जीवन से तुम दूर रहो. You stay away from my personal life. You stay away from my personal life. मैं अपनी समस्याओं का हल खुद कर लूँगा. I will solve my problems myself. I will solve my problems myself. तुम उसे खराब कर रही हो. You are spoiling him. You are spoiling him. एक तरफा प्यार दर्दनाक होता है. One-sided love is painful. One-sided love is painful. तुमने मेरा जीवन नष्ट कर दिया. You destroyed my life. You destroyed my life. तुम्हारा भाई मेरा भाई है. Your brother is my brother. Your brother is my brother. मेरा भाई तुम्हारा भाई है. My brother is your brother. My brother is your brother. मुझे दूसरों की मदद करना पसंद है. I like helping others. I like helping others. वह जरूर इंतजार कर रहा होगा. He must be waiting. He must be waiting. हमने अपना बचपन साथ बिताया. We spent our childhood together. We spent our childhood together. वह जानता है कि उसे क्या करना है. He knows what he has to do. He knows what he has to do. मेरी जीभ फूल रही है. My tongue is swelling up. My tongue is swelling up. तुम एक दिन समझ जाओगे. You will understand one day. You will understand one day. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. चलो शॉपिंग करने चलें. Come on, let's go for shopping. Come on, let's go for shopping. तुम कुछ क्यों नहीं कह रही हो? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not saying anything? मैंने आपको कई बार चेतावनी दी. I warned you many times. I warned you many times. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि आपको याद है. I can't believe you remember. I can't believe you remember. मैं उसे अपने आप से दूर नहीं जाने दूंगा. I will not let him go away from me. I will not let him go away from me. चाहे तुम कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो. No matter how hard you try. No matter how hard you try. ध्यान से मुंह मत जला लेना. Be careful not to burn your mouth. Be careful not to burn your mouth. मैं आपके लिए वापस आऊँगा. I will be back for you. I will be back for you. आप जितना चाहो उतना खा सकते हैं. You can eat as much as you want. You can eat as much as you want. मेरी ज़िंदगी में आने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for coming into my life. मैं उसे अपने आप से दूर नहीं जाने दूंगा. I will not let him go away from me. I will not let him go away from me. चाहे तुम कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो. No matter how hard you try. No matter how hard you try. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ. बट इस वीडियो की फीडबैक मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर दें. Take care. Bye bye. Keep learning.